radiation.
Yes.
Accordingly, you make the definition to that
Yes, yes.
one. Okay.
This I will do. This I will do. Yes, this I will do. I have
Since
taken a
you're
note.
R8, you're putting it everywhere, but whenever radiation or any lifting activity is there,
Yeah,
accordingly that definition should
yes,
override
yes.
this R8.
Of course, of
Okay.
course. I will clean the sheet and I will define a specific one from R1 to R9. I agree. I understand you. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, with respect to the perforation and perforation here we
Same,
have put
same,
R10.
same.
Same, right?
What we put it in the drilling, same you can cover it
same.
here also.
Only handling of explosive. So we have made one additional risk. I have to reflect accordingly. So that is why I have kept separately. So guys, see with this, we have run through all the critical activity. For construction, I'm not much worried. As we discussed, construction versus drilling. So now, I request to the entire forum. Do you think we missed some other critical activity in drilling and well operation?
Versus drilling.
Okay. So no problem, guys. So what I will do now, we have to consider all this risk assessment. So as we discussed, that we have to go for. Now the risk assessment form is here. I already have R4 and R8. Let us go for general. R is general risk assessment. Okay. Weather. I have to consider risk assessment for weather.
Chairman, are you going? We have to break as per the timing.
Yes, Gadwin
We
as well
already
as
12:33.
Yeah.
I need another 50 minutes, 15 minutes to complete the session because only now part is risk assessment is pending. So what is your view?
I'm just reminding you for if other people are there.
And